Please always upload your videos the right way. I repeat, always upload your videos the right way. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another wonderful video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be telling us, or rather, I'm going to be showing us in practical terms how to upload your videos properly for you to get more views and for YouTube to keep pushing out and recommending your videos. All right. Now, before we head over to the practical part of this tutorial, I will need to explain a few things to us. Now, there are certain things you need to put in place while uploading your videos. Yes, you need to upload your videos like a professional, all right? Because YouTube knows that this YouTube is a serious business, okay? So you need to take this business serious. Now, in uploading your videos, there are certain things you need to do to show that you're uploading your videos properly, which will in turn get you more views because YouTube will keep pushing out your videos. Now, the very first thing you are going to be doing is this. So guys, as usual, we're going through our desktop site. At the top right, you see this icon, create. You click on it and you're going to see other options like upload videos, go live, create post. You click on upload video. Once you click, this is going to come out. You're seeing the right up there. Drag and drop video files to upload. Then you click on select file. Okay. Once you click on select file, you go straight to the destination of your video and pick the particular video you want to upload. Okay. Then once your video is done checking, you come over, you click on that particular video, click the editing icon. Yeah. Once you click on this editing icon, you're going to be seeing so many things. You're going to be seeing details, monetization, ad suitability, video elements, checks, and visibility. All right. So now we're going to go over to the video element. Good. Once you click on the video element, you scroll down, you will see add an end screen. So you click on add. It will bring out different options of end screens. We have one video, one subscribe. We have one playlist, one subscribe. We have two videos. We have two videos, one subscribe, and so on. Okay. So I'll be choosing this one that has two videos. Once you click on it, it will open here for you. So you go over to the left side, you click on elements and select video. Click on video. Once you click on videos, your previous videos will come out. So you choose the particular video you want to attach as an end screen. Okay. So I'll just be choosing just one. I'll choose one. Then I'll click on element again. Click on video. So as to get a second video. Remember I chose the two videos. Yeah. So I'll pick any of my videos again that I feel like. Then you position them properly. As you can see, I'm positioning this one. Then I'm going to delete the empty end screens that I'm not using. All right. Yep. So once I've done this, then I'm going to click on the element again and choose subscribe. Okay. Subscribe. Then I'll add the subscribe. Once you click on subscribe, it will bring out the subscribe button. So once anybody clicks on this, they subscribe, then you save. Yeah. So guys, let's move to the second thing you must do while uploading your videos. Now, just like we did in the first one, we're still going to be following the same process. We'll head over to the video elements again. We're going to be clicking on the video elements and it's going to bring up add an end screen. Then beneath it, you'll see add cards. Okay. So you click on add again. Once you click, so this interface will open. Then you click the particular position and click on video. Once you click on video, you select any video you want to be used as your card. Okay, as you can see, it's showing up here. Then you save. Okay. I know many people have been seeing this, but they really do not know how people put it in their videos. In fact, when I started off on YouTube, I used to be confused. Like I used to wonder, how do people, put these in their videos? So I kept wondering, until I learned the trick. Now, what this does for you is it helps your videos to keep being recommended. Yes, the videos that you have attached to that end screen, it helps YouTube to keep recommending that videos. Now, what it does is after um uploading a particular video, the videos you have attached to your end screens will come up as playlists. Yes. So you see that YouTube will keep doing what? Recommending your videos. Cards equally perform the same work as end screens. All right. Now, once you attach a card to your video, you already know what a card is. There are those videos that usually pop up while you're watching a video. Okay, I know so many of you might have equally been seeing that, and you'll be wondering, how does this happen? You know, because I used to wonder as well when I didn't have the knowledge. Yeah, so card equally helps your videos to be recommended. All right, yes, because once that your video pops up on top of the screen while people are watching your videos, some persons might, feel like clicking to find out what that video is all about, and YouTube in turn will keep recommending, okay, because it's gonna be recommended as next video, so cards are equally very, very important while uploading your videos. So guys, I believe we've learned something very meaningful from this lecture. End screens and cards are very important while uploading your videos. Do not play with that. All right, do not play with that. Okay, always make sure you impute this in your videos while uploading. Yes, some persons might be wondering or be asking, I do not have a laptop or a tablet and the rest of them. You can upload your videos from the YouTube app directly. Then you go over to your desktop site and apply these settings. All right. Once you do this, you will see the difference in your channel. You will see the growth in your channel. Try it and see. Just try it and you'll come and testify. All right. So guys, I believe this video has been helpful to many people out there. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section. If you have a question, you can drop your question as well. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, share this video. Share this video, okay, so that more people can get to see this good news. All right. So guys, till I see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.